Okay, so good morning everybody and good afternoon, good evening everybody. Welcome back in today's class. So today, before we go for the request management, we need to be discuss about the more about the tables here. Okay, so now if I go here, anybody get answer that why this is coming like this? Rajesh, Pooja, Trevor, Will, anybody try that why this coming like this way, not this way? Okay, no problem. So now the thing is that if I go here and search for the incident, okay, wait, let me change it here first of all. Sys underscore language. So it is coming from the table called sys underscore language. Under that we have a language here and we have a text direction. So I'll make it change to the left to right. And now let me reload this page. So now still not working. Let me log out and log in again. So now you can see things are working fine. So it was coming from the language, sys underscore language table. Okay. So now the question come here that if I search for the incident, how and where it has been mentioned that if I click on this, it will open a new form for me like this or like this. It should be mentioned somewhere. That is fact. Now if I go here and mention incident open, it's coming in the list view. If I go here and search for the map, wait, map and somewhere map icons should map something. It opened the map for me. Now the question comes from where these configurations are coming. That is important because it is not mentioned. It's nowhere we mention that if I click on this, it should open a new form. Create new. If you're thinking that Atul, maybe ServiceNow so smart that it read the word create new, it means it's a form. If you read the word assigned to me, it's a list view. It's a list view. It's a list. But if you see these things, there's a difference. These all are the list view. Yes, agree. But why? What is the difference between these all four? Open, unassigned, resolved, and all. This configuration somewhere has been mentioned, and this is called the link type. Link type. Your link type decide sorry. Your link type decide that in which format the module will be get open. Now where this link type has been setting up. So let's do one thing. Let's go here and search for the learn and grow. So we have these two modules, right? So you can click on this edit module and it will open a form for you. It's taking time to be load. Yep. So now this is my module. And in the module, I have a link type. This is the place. So number one, if you go here, order. So like I have this thing. I want to set up 1 and 2 or 2, 1 and 2. Then you can set the order here. Order play a very vital role in ServiceNow. It helps during the scripting execution. A lot of things depend on the order in ServiceNow. Your script executions, your policies execution, maybe I can say your email execution. A lot of things depend on this order. And there's a question also came in ServiceNow CS examination about the order as well. Okay, so let me put, I am putting it in order 100. Okay. Hint, if you want that if anybody is over here, he should get some link hint as well. Okay. Now it is important. Your link type, by default, the link type is called the list of record. So now if you go here and just click on this, it is showing a list view. Why? Because we have mentioned list of record. We mentioned list of record. If I drop down on this, I have approximately 10 or 12 type of link type. So now if I make a change here, let's say map. Which map you want to show? All locations. Now save and go here and search again. See, we change the sequence now. So it become 100, this becomes 0. So if I open the new window, now you're not getting the list view. You're getting the map. Why? Because we mentioned that it should be a map type. There's a few customers with ServiceNow have in India who are in this taxi business. They are using ServiceNow. They're using ServiceNow. So when you open the app, you put where to where. It's everything has been defined in ServiceNow. So now if you change the link type, let's say new record. New record on which table you want to create? I say I want to create on this one. You want to put any view, that in which view it should be open. Here you can see view. In this you can open, but let me show you the incident. This is the view by default. So you can set up the view. Do you want to show some filter condition? No. Any argument query, you want to run any query when the page has been loaded. Show only or load only kind of these things. And then the window name. And save. And now I come here and I search it again for the learn and grow. See, now hint has been. What should I learn? Maybe I change something here. So now you're getting a new form. Okay. So your link type is important. So now if I go here and show you something on the, okay, I'll give you an example now. Let's say Pooja is working in a service desk. Okay. She is supporting a customer from the US, Canada, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, kind of these countries. Okay. She got a call and the person said, hey, my name is, let's say, take example of the Ola. My name is Ola Martin. Okay, because there's some complicated names as well, which tough for us to pronounce sometime. Or maybe I can say spelling is little tough. Okay. She said, okay. She said, can you spell your name so that I can raise the incident on your behalf? The person, the accent, the way of the speak is they say O A A M A A. I'm not putting anything wrong here. I'm just putting a live example. Pooja tried to understand, but she again missed out. Can you repeat it again, your name? That person again started repeating his or her name. She did not understand completely. Pooja take a help from Namrata. Hey Namrata, can you just hear his name and give me the right name? I want to put in the caller. Namrata tried. He again missed out because the accent, the way of speaking is different for everybody. Okay. Now the problem is that it is already 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Pooja is on the call with that particular customer and still not able to raise the incident. Now Pooja was very frustrated. What system we have? Why we are allowed on the incident table on this call ID search only via name? Why not we can search via employee number? Because remember, alphabets are 26, but number are only 9 or 10. So Pooja say, so in this case, she raised a concern. Concern go to Trevor and Rajesh as a business process consultant. Hey, Pooja said, guys, I'm frustrated now because there's a lot of customers who call, but we're not able to understand their spelling. I can say that, okay, it's maybe my understanding problem, but it can be 1 or 2 times, not every time. Then they both thinking what to do. They have decided, let build a functionality in ServiceNow where my users can search via the employee number as well. And now the question comes in the caller field. How I can make sure that I can search by number as well, like this. Employee number as well, via like this. That is the question. Number one, how it's showing that caller should be searched only via name, not via any other way. It should mention somewhere, right? So now let's go to incident table. Sorry, incident module. And click on the create new module. Edit the create new module. And now come here. Because this is given by ServiceNow out of the box. We are learning, but ServiceNow is already enough mature here, right? So what they say the link type is from the argument. Link type is from the argument. It is not I write. It is given by ServiceNow out of the box. URL from arguments, and what they're saying, incident.do sys underscore ID and all those things. Sorry, it is showing that how to open this particular form. But my question is there, where it has been mentioned that caller ID only and only take the value as a name, not as an employee ID. Then right click on this. Sorry, I missed it earlier, and go to the configure dictionary. When you click on the configure dictionary, here you will find the things actually. Because it is a reference field, come here in the reference. It is referencing from the user because it's taking a user table. There are three types of references: simple, dynamic, and advanced. Simple says that only and only out of the box with the name I can able to search. But if you click on the dynamic or advanced, I guess if you click on the advanced, you can put a complete condition here that which name should become, how I can search, even though it's required a little bit coding, which I have no idea as of now, guys. Okay, but the changes can be done at this place. Let try some other stuff here. Come here and go to incident table only and configure and table. Don't get confused. We are talking about the very basic things. So now let's say caller I got it. Now let me search which are the references table. Let me this thing. Okay, last opened by it showing user. Let's see what it has mentioned the reference. Opened by, yes, it is good. A good example. So it is called the last opened by. They're not using any proper reference. They said reference with the user table. That's fine for me. Nothing to be worried. Okay, then opened by. It is also using the simple reference, but it is using something attribute called like this. Let's say anything is there for me to understand. No, 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 and no. Nothing there. We're putting any value here. Now, if I go here, this is the default value they're bringing up. Opened by. Go to the default value. Yeah, this is use the default value as a. Why it's be showing like this? Maybe I need to be change the view. There's a no view as well. So here you can define the some default value. Not sure that why it's showing like this here. JavaScript get user ID. This means okay, it's on the task table. Oh, okay. I'm on the task table only. Yes. Default value by sender. Maybe who's sending it, they're putting it their name only. Okay. So the point is that this particular place you have to be update. Click on the dynamic or the advanced. And you have to be write the code. So now these guys got an idea. Rajesh and Trevor got an idea that yes, we can solve Pooja's problem by doing addition in the reference qualifier. This is called the reference qualifier, guys. This one, which is appearing in the search. Here. Here. This is called the reference qualifier. This is a reference qualifier. So now what this is, let update the user table first and add the what is it? Add the employee number in the user table and then go here and in the collar you can update the it's saying get collar JavaScript get collar. This one simple and it is not showing the default value. Default value is there. Use dynamic default value. It is something the coding has been given by ServiceNow. It's saying you can just do this part and your work will be done. Get the caller ID. If I remove this, anything happen? So I can mention the default name here. But I want the caller ID means the person who is calling or the person who is opening, his name should be come here. So for us, we have to be put up the things in the this part. Reference qualifier as a advanced because it's in the advanced view. Okay, these things clear everybody till this point. Any doubt, any question? But Pooja, Rajesh, Namrata, Ola.
Atul, I missed something like in
What?
module. I am not getting the option like advanced view. I I was trying from my end.
This one you're not getting.
Yeah, this one in dictionary entry. I
Which
have
one?
created one module like in module we are providing a reference, right?
Give me the
So
name.
Namrata underscore incident. If you will search from Namrata, it will show something.
Mhm.
No?
Let me reload my page. Sometime it did not appear. No.
Okay, if I'll go with the in module like all modules, so in that it is showing my name, not
But
here.
it should show
Yeah.
me as well. Have you given me the access or maybe something is there? Let's see. Incident. And what is
Access
that?
is global. Namrata underscore incident. Access is global. Could you please go to the modules, list of modules? Name is showing over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Now here.
Okay. Okay. The thing is that under application menu incident, but why it's not showing to me? Okay, let's see. So this is the module you have created. Okay, and it's a on the incident table. Okay, list of records. So you're saying here, and Namrata?
No, I was like in mod. First thing is why it is not showing in the list of modules with the rest of the modules.
Hmm.
Secondly,
Because it don't have any role.
okay, might be. Secondly, if we go with this module and we are trying to define caller ID or something.
Mhm.
So if I do a right click,
No,
go
no,
to
no,
the
no, no. What?
yeah,
See what you're doing, Namrata. This is the module.
right
In the module, we have a field.
field.
So like if I see how I can explain it. WhatsApp is a complete application, right?
Right,
Under that, we have a audio, video, documents, contacts are the modules available.
right,
So if you want to make a change, you have to be changed on the WhatsApp level because everything stay in the WhatsApp as an application. These are just a module. So they're
mm,
using the WhatsApp functionality in their modules. So if you want to make a change, number one,
mm,
let's go here. See, now it's appearing.
yeah.
Okay, so now if you click on this, these are the fields
List
you're
of,
saying.
okay.
So you have to be change this field working, this
Right.
field condition, then what
Column.
should appear. Also important one is that because you are creating this module with the table of the incident, it
Hmm.
means you are going to be override which is given by ServiceNow to you.
Okay.
Okay, so better what we can do, create a new application with the new table
Hmm.
and don't extend it.
Okay.
Create a new field called the caller, let's say name, and put a reference field there,
Okay.
and then try to make a change.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Hmm.
then you can do it easily. I
Okay.
was I was reading some I was watching some videos, some reading some blog. So
Hmm.
you will get this answer. It's not a big code. It's just a few lines, one line code only to make the reference qualifier.
Okay.
Change from caller here to indication. So like this. So you can change the reference qualifier there.
Okay.
So once Rajesh and Trevor make a change, then Pooja was happy. Now I can able to because it is easy to search anybody with the numbers. Okay, Namrata, let's say now Ola is calling to Service and Pooja pick up the call. Now Pooja says, hey, can I have your employee number? Yes. My employee number is 5789258. Easy to understand. Instead of 26 character, 26 alphabets versus 10 digits. It's done for place.
Okay. So, in this, you're saying that I have created a module, but I have provided name, application menu as an incident. So,
No, you provided the table as the incident.
okay, table as an incident.
See,
Okay.
go here. This one. See what table you take. You take incident table.
Hmm.
So you should take your own table on which you are working.
Right. For that, I have to create my own
Correct,
table.
correct,
Then I
correct.
have to link that. Okay. And then on that thing, need to change the caller ID reference.
Yes.
Okay.
So here we have to mention that okay, list of records because I'm on the module, so I cannot do anything here. Module just tell you that how to open these particular things. But if you want to make any change on that part, then you have to go to the specific dictionary entry only.
Okay.
Okay, ji, clear?
Yeah, clear. Got
Okay,
it.
anybody else? Any question? Okay, then let's move forward. What happened? Who messaged me? Okay, thanks, Rajesh. Okay, so this is what I was I missed out earlier, and we need to be discussing. Now, what is the homework for you guys? Create one table and create approximately 5 or 7 different link type. See what happening for the report for the list filter. Let's select this and save. Let me pick up the Namrata's model only. And now you see this has been changed. Why? Because what I say, I want a list filter, but I don't define any list filter on that part. That how to filter this thing. So if you go here now, Namrata, incident, and open this assign to me, and here you can see list of records, but with the filter condition here. Argument query is like this. We will discuss this. What is GS underscore get user ID? When we go for the scripting part, then I'll show that how you can define what this mean here. Okay. So try to do a practice on these parts. That is important. Just remember, just do one, just not touch anything on the create new incident. Okay. The only thing is that because we are going to be use this page or this form for the multiple things in our coming days. Rest, you can do any changes. If you want to modify the existing one, you can modify. Now, if I show you this unassigned, same thing, list of records, yes, but the condition is assigned to is empty. So don't go, it's an English word, it's mentioned unassigned, so ServiceNow understand. No, it's all about the configuration. Maybe if I go here and assign to new open, let's say overview. So it is coming from the dashboard. It is calling this particular dashboard. It says go to the dashboard table, p underscore dashboard table, and here the dashboard sys ID. That is when we mention the sys ID. Why? Because either if tomorrow you change the name, let me open and show you this part. It will load a dashboard format. See, it is calling the sys ID. Maybe today you are using this dashboard name as a overview. Tomorrow Namrata says no, I don't like overview. Let's say overall picture. If you rename it, it doesn't mean that you are changing the sys ID. That is the reason here we are using the sys ID. I will give you the example. When you work on the transfer map, I'll show you. Sorry, transfer export and import via XML. I'll show that why sys ID is important. Why sys ID is important. So now you can see it says URL from the argument. Go to this table and search for this dashboard and open it. It opened it for you. So what else I need now? And these are different reports. That is another point. Before you think, before you make a mind that I want to do some practice, I said do the practice of the out of the box only. Now check on this part. VTP. Apna hai, it's our PDI only. You can check anything. It's showing again direct. VTP.do. It's calling a table name. That is the thing. Okay. Clear everybody? Any doubt, any question? Good. Thanks, Trevor, for the confirmation. So this was the part which we missed out earlier. Now the second thing, and also one more thing, guys. It is not possible, neither for me, nor for anybody, even not for you, that we can go each and every option and we can discuss. So what I can say, okay, go and check this thing, visibility part. Like you said, Namrata, this is not appearing because you did not put the visibility here. Why it is appearing? Maybe it is given by ServiceNow and they have some other logic in the background. Even though here the rules are not available. Still we're able to see this part. Okay, now let's come back to the yesterday topic. Let me close all these things. Come here. So yesterday we was checking that how this particular portal has been defined. Right now, let's make some changes in this portal. So what we can do, we are able to go here and search for the portals. Okay. If you click on this, you're able to see this portal. This is what portal we're talking now. Basic things you can change, header, theme, pages you can do. But now the question comes, how this pages has been defined. Where this pages has been defined, that is important for me to be understand. Okay, now let me come here and go for the portal configuration. Okay. So when I say the portal configuration, we have 7 steps to do a portal configuration. Number 1 is called the branding. If you want to change anything in the brand, let open and see. Click on the branding editor. It says which page you want to change, which portal you want to change. I said I want to change the SPLM portal. Yeah. Okay. It says it look like as of now like this. What you want to change anything? I said number 1, change the page title. Learn, grow. Okay. I said change this image as well. This logo. Okay. Load a new image. Yes. Go to this. And go to this. Okay. Good. Do you want to go some log padding? Left, right, something you do. And did you notice one thing? I did not click on the save. It's so quick. Tap out and things has been saved. Logo padding you want to do like this and like this. Something will happen. Okay. Now, Atul, come on, this we can do easily. From where this has been changed. From here. LNG Vault. Tagline change. Color change करनी. Yes. Red. See. Background image, this image you want to change it. Because it's a very big image, so it's not taking, maybe take a little time. Let me do this thing. I have one image here, right? This. Why it's not showing me here? Okay. Then things done. Go to theme color. And here girls can play a good role. Navigation bar background. I put very dirty color actually. Blue. So that we can see that what changes we are doing, where we are going to change it. So it's showing this thing. So now if I reload this page and see. So here the image is coming and here the color has been changed. Here the logo is there. Here this thing is coming. Here this thing is coming. Then navigation bar divider, red. I'm doing it intentionally, the bad colors, so that we can see that where these changes are be happening. So it's saying that brand which you want, how the this thing will be appear for you. Color codes like this thing. So it's a completely up to you what you want to make a change, and it is a customization, sorry, configuration, not a customization. Text color and text success. Not sure what is the text success. I can say. And now let reload this page. So maybe these colors has been changed now. Namrata has a question, Atul, what about this? Will come, don't worry, will come. So now this is the first place where you can make a branding changes. I'm not changing anything on the page level now. I'm changing in the branding, how the front end will be look like. And you can do anything. But remember, these all are the global changes. If you make a change in a one place, it will be reflected in every place. So make sure that you have an agreement from your customers that you can go for the global level changes. It's not a personalized, it's a global changes. Now, the second step, branding done. Yes. If you want to go for the designer, let me show you, otherwise you'll get confused. Let's come here on the portal configuration. This done? Yes. Now come to the designing. Another good point. How or where you can design your pages. So now remember, when I say, let me change here so that I can put the more options. SP, header menu, and Lazola. Okay. And save. Why? Because I'll get a lot of options here so that I can show the pages. Here. Okay. So now Namrata is confused. Atul, where this blue color gone? Because we are using the branding. On the color we put the brand. On the color we put the theme. So that theme overhead everything. So now let's say in your phone you're using a theme of the Dishera, and you make some changes on the ringtone or something. If tomorrow you are going to make a theme of the Christmas, then everything will be overwritten, because these things are the part of theme only. Colors, notification sound, when it, ringtone and other things, part of that only. Okay. So now let's come to the designing. Number one, if you want to make a change in a page, existing page, you can do it from here. Let's say I am here now, click on the catalog. Which page is this? SC underscore home. Go here and search for SC underscore. Click on this. But again, remember, guys, these are the global changes. Why I'm repeating these words? Because tomorrow, even though not by mistake, you change something in these pages without telling everybody. So it says how this page look like. Its page look like this. Search, some castle is there and some options are there like this. Okay. You want to make some changes. So they're talking about this thing, I guess. Okay. Some that page, I guess they'll be making a change here. Or let's say SC underscore category. Let's open this page. You can go here and you can open this SC underscore category. This one. You can do anything in this portal, guys. No issues to me. Do anything. It says on the top it will show like this. Notice this and this and this. Now if you want to make a change here, let's say I want to add something. Now let's go to the here. There's a concept called the widgets. Widgets means like in our mobile phone, if you tap few seconds on the home screen, a form has been opened. It says widgets. Something which is already built up, you have to be just drag and drop. Now Namrata says, Atul, I want to show the world clocks here. I said, okay, go here and search for the widgets. So these are the widgets available. But before that, I asked Namrata, tell me where you want to show. She said, I want to show at this place. It means I have to put a place for this particular stuff. So I said, okay, let me put a container here. Container which contain everything. Here's my container. And now under that container, I'm putting the sections. It should contain 2 6x6 sections. And now I'll put the widgets. Let me put a widget like this, drag and drop. This is what the beauty of ServiceNow at point of time. If you are active on the LinkedIn, you will find a lot of companies are working towards the low code or no code tradition. This thing is good for people like me, who is not good hands-on or who has no good knowledge about the scripting. What we want, drag and drop, done. Drag and drop, done. Drag and drop, done. This is what the low code functionality here. Now let me say I want to add widgets and a clock. I know because I'm working in ServiceNow for a long time. I know these are things that are available. Now Pooja has a question. Atul, can I create my own widget? Why not? You can. And now if you want to look a preview, you can click a preview here. That how your page will be look like. So now it will be look like this only. Which time is showing? I guess it's showing a my GMT time or something. Now how it will look like on the desktop? How it will look like on the iPad? And how it will look like on the mobile phone? Like this. Now if I go here and reload my page, changes has been done. Now in any of the portal, either Namrata create, either Well create, either Trevor create, either Pooja create, either Rajesh create. If you guys are going to create your own portal and you're using this page, you will find this way only. Now if you want, Atul, no, I want, go here. I want one more container. Don't worry, go ahead. Put one more container here. The reason I said it is PDI. Do what you want to do, no problem for me. Like say this thing, 4 by 4 by 4 by 4, like 3 by 3. And now put something here, approval. Okay, barcode, breadcrumb. See, I'm just putting something else and change password. And now just reload this page. No need to be saved. It's already saved. And see, you have changed the things. So now you got an idea that from where this new password thing is coming. On the screen, on the first page. Okay, let me give the homework as well. When you open your instance, you have to write your username and the password. From where that page is coming, you have to find out. And get ready. Tomorrow is Friday, guys. Be ready for the test. Okay, so these are called the widgets, which you can put, which you can use, and you can do your work. Yes, guys. Any doubt? Any question? Bill, Namrata, Ola, Pooja. Trevor is playing very safe every time. He just put the thumbs up at the first point and he's safe. Okay. Now the third point is that in the same part, either you can go via this or either you can open this page now. Page editor. If you want to see, we already done this part. If I logically say we done this part, but if I open this here, you can make a change on the page level, which we done. Let's say I want to make a change on the, let me open some other page now. Knowledge KB view 2. Let's go here and search. B this one. So how this page has been built up? This page has been built up in this manner. It contains main container. It is main page and then contain two containers. Let open this. Two containers, maybe one container, maybe second container. Under that we have a row 1 and row 2. Under that we have these many things. Most viewed, top related. Most viewed and top related. It means these two are the part of this particular column 2, row 2. Now, if you want to make a change on this page, open the designer. And now you will be able to find out everything. See. So via page, you get an idea that how it has been built up. Number one, you cannot download this image. You have to be cut and paste. There is no downloadable option here. Okay. So this part we already done. We know that how to change the designer. If you want to add something more, you can add it here. Add some container or something. You can do this part. Up to you, 100% up to you. No problem. Let you put a container and now you want to put KP categories. Let's bring that down. Yes, it's KB categories. Sorry, it's a container. We have to put the layouts as well. These boxes, what you want in these boxes. 3 by 3, 4 by 3. You can do that part. So I'm not going in this now because we already done these things. The last part, which is important here. Let me come back here and open this portal configuration. So we done this page editor, we done the widgets. Okay, let's come to widget part. Because Pooja has a question, Atul, how can I create my own widget? No problem. So we have done a lot of widgets. Let's say we done on the clock. This one, right? Open it. If anybody from you can write a code like this, you can create your own widget, guys. I have no option. At least I cannot do this thing. But now the problem is we are not allowed or we are not recommended to make a change in the existing widget. Also, it's not only the widget. If your customer says, Namrata, can you make a change for me on this page? Don't make it. Why? Because it is given by ServiceNow out of the box. Then Namrata says, Atul, what is the point? Why you're saying no? I'm saying no means that you should copy the page first and then make a change. It is a best practice, guys. Never ever make a change in any of the out of the box object on the spot. Before that, you have to understand what is the impact of this change. Okay, and then copy paste and then make a change. Otherwise, you are making a problem for your own customers, your own instances. So this is what, if you want, if you have any knowledge, so what you have to do is say this widget is read only and cannot be edited except public checkbox. There's a public checkbox which you find here. This one. So what we say, if you want to make a change better, copy it. Copy means clone it. What is the new name? Let me put just clock. Do you want to get a test page for this? I said yes. Name P_C. And now if you know the coding, you can make a change here. Easily you can make a change here. So by default it's showing this one. Let me try to put GMT. Why am I not able to make a change? Okay, sorry, I'm in the widget this one. I should go to the P_C. Because this is what we created, right? Yes. And now let me change to the GMT and save. It is running some utilities for me in the background. Could not connect the web socket. No problem, but even I don't know what you want to do. So for me, it's done. And save. So now if I use this widget, let's try to use this widget. Okay. This is what we have this place, right? And let me put a container. And here, let me search for the P_C. Let me reload this page because it is the latest or the new this thing we created, widget we created. Changes are there. Yes, changes are there. So now P_C. We have a widget here. Drag and drop. And now another widget. Let's put the cool clock so that we are able to see what changes we have done. Hope God will save me. But luckily both are showing the same timings. It means the code which I write did not work here because I'm not a developer. So this is the way that you can do this part. Now the only one point has been left in the service portal configuration. How I can create my own portal. There are two ways. Number one, you can go here, service portal configuration, and click on the new portal. Complete brand new portal you can create. You can put the name, you can put the URL suffix, you can put the home page, and let's say title. LNG portal. Home page, let's say Pooja's page, PNC. KB, let's say KB_ category. 404. Landing page. Let's make it as a announcement. Let's go by this one only. And let me click on this one. You need to be saved. It will not save automatically. And now let's go and check. We have a page called. Oops. Come on. Please above this thing. Let's say go portal. Okay, it's showing capital LG. See, this is again smartness it's showing to us. And now you go here. This is what we have defined. Because we did not use any header, we did not use any theme. We just show this thing. Clear everybody till this point? Any doubt, any question? Namta, Pooja, Trevor, Ola, Valentine. Good. So now what do you have to be do today? If not much, yes, go ahead, Namrata.
Nothing. I mean, can you open a portal name with help yourself? I'm not able to again open that portal. I created that one, but it is not opening. Portal name is help yourself. Second one.
No, Namrata, it's not like this. URL suffix
No,
only for the one word.
I have changed that. Like I have changed.
Why it's
Please
showing SP?
refresh.
Let me open this. Let me open
I,
this. Help yourself. Okay. Copy. See, it open.
mm, okay.
Maybe you're putting slash SP as well, right?
Might be yes.
No, no,
But
no. Because
uh,
if I can see here, not sure why it's maybe a no, it's fine. Otherwise, we're showing slash SP as well.
okay. But these logo is not updated because my logo is a ServiceNow page and it is a learn group logo from
Okay. Let
background.
go here. Open this because
This one.
you're okay. This one index logo.
Yeah.
A cache issue can be there, I can say,
Okay.
or maybe it should not be case, but maybe sometime I'm not giving 100% right answer here.
Okay.
The image can be a little bit wider or it take time.
Okay. Because as you can see, the logo is a ServiceNow logo in
Yes, yes, yes. Yep.
yeah.
But it's a yes, it's a ServiceNow logo, right? You're correct here. Let me try to put cache clearance. No, maybe it take a little time or some other issue. Try to
Okay.
be put some other image, a small
Mm.
image.
Okay.
Okay, maybe then it will be appear. Good. You start practicing. That's good actually. Okay. So today create at least two homework. Create table, link type. Okay. Create portal, edit widgets, edit pages. I have no issues. Do anything which you want to do. Just don't disturb the service portal, the main portal, because now we have to be do the tomorrow we are going to be start with the catalog item and all the things. So I'll show you there at that place. Otherwise, make any kind of a changes. I don't care there. Okay, Ji. Clear everybody till this point.
Yes.
Good. Okay, then let
Uh,
me take a
so,
good,
sorry. What's
good.
rising star?
Uh, okay, so Rising Star is basically a program which has been run by ServiceNow. The people who contribute to the community.
Okay.
Okay, so there is some criteria which ServiceNow have put in this selection. So it is for the quarter 3 which they pick up now. I can say it's for the 2022 complete 2022 they have put it. So I done a lot of work on the social media, YouTube and other things. I participate in the ServiceNow committee as well. So on the basis of these parameters, they finalize my name and they awarded me with the Rising Star. So after Rising Star, there is a concept called the MVP, and MVP is
MVP.
actually more good. It's I guess what is his name? Some valuable person kind of things. It's there
Nice.
who supported the committee from a number of ways. They conduct the sessions, they conduct the what I can say kind of DevOps developer meetups. They write the blogs on the ServiceNow committee. They put the question, they give the answer. The answer also gets selected. So a lot of things are there. But for me, I'm happy that I'm at the first stage now. It's a rising star. After 2 or 3 attempts I got this chance.
Yeah,
Okay,
congratulations for this
thank
achievement,
you.
Atul.
Thanks, Namrata. Yep. Okay, that is why I'm saying you guys, you should also participate on the community. Even though you know or you don't know the answer, go and check the community page. A lot of new things you will be learning. I can guarantee you. I can guarantee you in this page. There's a multiple sections are there. You can do in the architect, you can do in the developer, you can go in the system admin topics as well. If you understand the question, that's fine. If you don't understand the question, no problem. Read the everybody's answer, what the people are saying, how this can be achievable. Okay, clear. Let's stop the recording, guys, and take a break now and take a quick attendance.